Hi, are you confused about what BaaS or banking as a service really is? There's a lot of confusing information out there filled with jargon, so it can be really hard to understand. I'm here with Mike Posiak, a subject matter expert, that can walk us through what banking as a service really is and what it can mean for your company. Thanks for tuning in. But first, let's meet him. Hey, Mike, can you give us a short summary of your background?
Sure thing. Thanks, Shannon. I have over a decade of experience in the payments and banking industry, working for technology providers and financial institutions. And throughout my career, been fortunate enough to work with a wide range of partners and clients involving issuing banks, processors, acquirers, and companies, providing them with either managed services, solutions, or strategic consulting services on both the technology and the financial technology sides.
Thanks for that, Mike. Can you tell us what banking as a service is and how it's different from traditional banking?
Absolutely. So to start, banks are historically stodgy institutions that are slow moving and conservative. And I don't mean that in a negative sense per se, but it's mainly due to regulations and bureaucratic processes that they have within their organization. And that makes the ability to adapt and adopt to technologies and trends very difficult. And then on the flip side, you have tech companies that are in the financial space, or fintechs, as we like to call them, and they're way more agile. They're able to quickly respond to changing customer needs and preferences by adopting those new technologies, and then in turn, providing innovative financial solutions and services much faster than a bank ever could. And the traditional banking involves like building physical branches, managing customer relationships, and operating complex business systems, while banking as a service allows companies to outsource these functions to specialized providers. And this allows companies to focus on their core business and offer financial services with fewer investments and faster time to market. So, all that in short is to say, banking as a service essentially refers to a model where a bank or a third party company would provide banking services such as payment processing, account management, lending. They put it all under their own brand, and to they provide that to their clients through APIs, and that basically allows them to offer their own financial products and services without having to obtain that full banking license that a typical bank would require.
Thank you so much for that, Mike. That's going to be it for today. But if you want to tune in next week, we're going to be talking about how banking as a service can work with companies and what it means for them, giving some examples as well. So thanks for listening. And remember that with Singe Payables, business is always personal. Have a good day.